Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 10 ounces frozen spinach, 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup sour cream, and 1/4 cup mayonnaise to replace cream cheese. Thaw the spinach fully, then squeeze it in a clean towel until mostly dry. Removing liquid prevents a watery dip. Stir in 1/4 cup grated Parmesan, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Taste and adjust seasoning before moving to the warm step. Heat a skillet and sauté 2 minced garlic cloves in 1 tablespoon olive oil for about 1 minute until fragrant but not browned. In a mixing bowl, combine the drained spinach with the Greek yogurt, sour cream, mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup grated Parmesan. Then fold in the sautéed garlic and adjust salt to 1/2 teaspoon if needed. Transfer to an oven-proof dish and bake at 350 degrees F for 15 minutes for a warm dip, or chill at least 30 minutes for a cold dip. Serve the spinach dip warm or cold with pita chips, sliced carrots, bell pepper strips, or toasted baguette slices. Portion into a shallow bowl for easy dipping. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. You can freeze the dip up to 1 month, but expect a slight texture change when thawed. To reheat, microwave for 1 to 2 minutes stirring halfway, or bake at 350 degrees F for about 10 minutes until bubbling. Garnish with extra Parmesan or a squeeze of lemon.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.